Welcome to the first part of the Affiliate Marketing Ready to Earn platform series. Today I'll show you the first way to earn money from affiliate marketing. These platforms are providing you 30% to 50% commission. All you have to do is register on the website, create your affiliate link, and promote your link. If someone purchases from your link, you will get a commission. Today we will discuss about NordVPN. First of all, let me show you the commission rate. The NordVPN's commission rates are one of the best in the industry. They focus on mainly 4 plans which as follow. 1 month offer. Here, if someone sign up from your affiliate link you get a 100% commission, and when the 1 month is over, and if that user renews their service you will get a 30% commission. 6 month offer. Here, if someone sign up from your affiliate link you get a 40% commission, and when the 1 month is over, and if that user renews their service you will get a 30% commission. 1 year offer. Here, if someone sign up from your affiliate link you get a 40% commission, and when the 1 month is over, and if that user renews their service you will get a 30% commission. 2 year offer. Here, if someone sign up from your affiliate link you get a 40% commission, and when the 1 month is over, and if that user renews their service you will get a 30% commission. This is an amazing commission rate provided by any affiliate marketing platform. Now the main question is, what is NordVPN? And why you should use it? If you know the answer make sure to drop your answer in the comment section. So basically, NordVPN provides you security or you can say privacy while browsing and checking emails. Before that people use Google Chrome incognito mode. Nowadays people want a fully secure connection, they want to do whatever they want. NordVPN is a leading virtual private network service provider that protects you while doing any task on the internet such as browsing, surfing, email checking, etc. How to join the NordVPN affiliate program? There are only 3 basic steps required to join the NordVPN affiliate program. Step number 1, go to the nordvpn.com web link and sign up for the NordVPN affiliate program. Step number 2, get the product link and other materials that help you in promoting the NordVPN service. Step number 3, now it's time to get your commission for every purchase done by the viewer/customer/subscriber etc. How to sign up as an affiliate partner with NordVPN? Here you can see, partner sign up form. In the account details section, type your name or your company name. In my case, I will type my company name, EIHeducation. Then type the address of your home or office. I'm from Mumbai so, I type Mumbai here. Country, India. State, Maharashtra. Zip code, 40008. Phone, type your contact number here. Now type the email address in the user details section. In my case, it is, asimansari95098@gmail.com. Type password. Type the password again for verification. Type the first name of yours and last name also. Leave title blank, if you want to give title you can. Now come to the additional question section. Type your website or a YouTube channel link here. In our case, I type the website address, https://EIHeducation. / Type no and do you plan to drive pop under traffic? Question. Select from the drop-down menu. Type yes and do you plan to drive traffic to your sites through PPC, paid advertising? Question. Select from the drop-down menu. There are 2 payment methods available. PayPal and wire transfer. Select your preferred payout method. In our case, I have a PayPal account. Then you have to enter the email address of your PayPal account. The next one is which products are you going to promote? Just select NordVPN from the drop-down menu. This is the main part here. How do you intend to promote our products? You have to describe it in detail. Just write the truth here. Like what I did. Hello sir, madam, I will use my Facebook pages, YouTube SEO things, my own software review websites and, also paid traffic to promote your product. So kindly approve me to promote your product. Website links, EIHeducation.in and EIHeducation.com. Click on Term and Condition. Then click on the Sign Up button. Then you will get an email, verify that. They will approve your request within 2 days. So that is for today. Hope you like the video, share the video with your friends and loved ones. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and if you have any query ask me in the comment section. See you in the next part of this series. Goodbye, take care.